Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing an unboxing and product review on this noise canceling Bluetooth headphones by Altec Lansing. Now, before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. Those headphones were given to me or gifted to me by a coworker of mine. Her name is Kathy. Thank you. I appreciate it. Now on to the unboxing. Okay, all right. Before I open the box, I would like to read what's on the outside of the box. Once again, this is the Whisper wireless headphones by Altec Lansing. It says 12 hours playtime, essential for long flights, foldable and lightweight for all day comfort, active noise canceling, listen to what you want, and black out what you don't. And once again, this is a Bluetooth headphones. Okay. So on the side, it says, I already mentioned that, foldable and lightweight, music control, Siri and Google voice assistant, micro USB charging port, designed and engineered in the USA. All right, so it says lightweight and foldable, 2-in-1 functionality, Whisper ANC headphones let you focus more on music and movies by reducing what you don't want to hear through active noise canceling technology. It says here package contents: one Whisper active noise canceling headphones, one micro USB charging cable, one 3.5 aux cable, one quick start guide, and one warranty information. Says here, just listen. Okay. All right, so this is what's on the bottom of the box. Contact us, their phone number, their website, Altec Lansing, Edison, New Jersey. All this information here, made in China. I'm gonna open the box. Envelope, Altec Lansing, and their logo. Inside, please do not return to store. Just ask, and all these info. I think this is like a guide. It tell you red that is charging. If it's blue, the charging is complete. Okay, you could plug it on a wall or plug it with a computer USB. It will take 2 to 3 hours to fully charge your headphones. It says here headphones controls and more information. A closer look, so it gives you all the buttons here. Okay, now this is the instruction on how to pair the Bluetooth headphones with your mobile phone. Press and hold 2 to 3 seconds. Watch out for the red and blue flashing LED, and then go to your cell phone, press Bluetooth on paired, blue slowly flashing LED. That means it paired up. Press the noise cancellation button to turn on the active noise cancellation feature. Note the LED indicator will be solid green while the ANC feature is on. There you go, quick start guide. As I mentioned before, two wires. This is the USB micro. Okay, micro to USB, USB to micro. Now the wires feels cheap. The quality feels cheap, like cheap. I don't even know if this is rubber or plastic, but more than likely it's plastic, like bendable plastic or flexible plastic. Feels cheap. And the aux cable also feels cheap quality. Okay. Ordinary cable, aux cable. Okay. Now the headphones. Okay, you have the branding here, Altec Lansing. Feels like soft leather, but I doubt this is real leather. It feels more like fox leather. Okay. Also on the earpiece here, soft leather or fox leather, soft fox leather. Okay, it feels soft though. All right, this piece right here. It's metal. Piece right here. It's plastic. This feels hard plastic. Whisper, whisper. See that? This whole thing here is plastic. You have the all black buttons here. Okay. One thing I like about this, it turns. So it's foldable. Let me see if this will fit into my case. I just bought a case. It was meant for somebody, but it didn't fit the headphones. So let's see if this will fit. Okay. Okay. It fits. Perfect. 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 I love it. Okay. So let's get back to the headphones. So on the bottom here, on the bottom of this curvature here is also fox leather. Two screws here, plastic. And also here, screws. Two screws, plastic. Now, this is my Senau. I did a review about this studio headphones at one of my videos. So this is pretty good. This is actually pretty good as far as listening to different instruments. So this is definitely a studio headphones, and so far it's good. It seems pretty durable. Okay, I'm gonna weight the headphones. Okay, this is the Altec Lansing. It's exactly 9 ounces. Oh wow, this is actually lighter. This is 7.8 ounces. So this one is heavy. All right, let's see how easy it is to pair it with my phone. Saw it right away. Al Whisper. That's the name. It says pairing, pair. And there you go. It's connected just like that. So, wow, I'm kind of impressed with the Bluetooth connection. My final thoughts. In my opinion, this is a mid-range Bluetooth headset. I can see myself using this while I'm traveling, especially during a long flight, such as going back to the Philippines for that 16 to 18 hours flight. I can see myself taking this particular headset. It doesn't look cheap, okay? It doesn't look cheap, all right? Very minimal, all black. It's comfortable. When I put it around my head, it doesn't feel that my head is being squeezed or my ear is fatiguing, you know, because there's some headset that really clamp on your head to the point where your ears will feel fatigued. I like the look of it, the comfortability as well, and also the sound quality. Not too bad. Of course, it can't compare to a studio headset. And also the noise canceling feature. I have yet to master that feature. To me, I didn't spot any difference as far as sound is concerned. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Also, what I like about it, it paired up with my cell phone, uh, smoothly. I have a few Bluetooth headset that's sometimes my cell phone can't find the headset and it's hard to pair up. But this particular headset, it paired up easy, smoothly. This is good. I recommend. And there you go. That was the unboxing and product review on the noise canceling Bluetooth headphones by Altec Lansing. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Hey world, check out my brand, my streetwear brand, DOSOS. DOSOS Clothing. Check it out at www.dosos.clothing. We have beanies, we have hoodies, we have short sleeve tees, long sleeve tees, crew necks, and everyday shorts. Check it out at www.dosos.clothing. Thank you. And once again, this is ML from Kadirs.tv. Hello, world. Bye, world. Peace.